Good afternoon, everybody. Today, we are at Garden City, and we've been invited out by Feed the Cheeks to come try some cookies. So we're gonna go try the cookie of the month, the in-store cookie, maybe grab some other smaller cookies. And then Garden City is hosting a Lunar New Year celebration. They're gonna have a lion dance happening, and after that, I think Sophia and I are gonna go get lunch and head home. But today's a home vlog, so we're gonna have some fun while Mal is at a Galentine's Day event, and then we're gonna prepare for a snowstorm coming. We're supposed to get like 4 to 8 inches of snow, which is crazy. And then a few days later, we're supposed to get more snow. So lots of snow on the way, but we're gonna spend our time out of the house today because we're probably gonna be trapped in tomorrow. And tomorrow is the Super Bowl, by the way. So very exciting weekend. Let's get going. When you first arrive at Garden City, if you're looking for Feed the Cheeks, it's next to Tropical Cafe and Lovesack. It's in the same area as Tavern in the Square and Legal Seafood. Once inside, you'll be greeted by this beautiful display of cookies. So it's not a big place in here, but it's a cute little cafe style setup, and there's this really nice Instagrammable wall that you can take photos at. And then over here is the menu. You can see that they not only have cookies, but they have drinks and ice cream. They also have specialty drinks. So they have this shaken brown sugar matcha and pink peppermint mocha and this tiramisu latte. The case is always full of warm, fresh baked cookies ready to go. These are some of the in-store specials. Starting from the left, we have the pink rose chamomile, the strawberry crinkle in the middle, and this was like a marshmallow cookie on the right. And here is this month's cookie. It's the chocolate raspberry cookie. I'm very excited to try this thing. Can I open it with one hand? Ba-da! Cheers.
We're the Rhode Island Kung Fu and Lion Dance Club. We're a very small, non-profit martial arts and cultural arts group. What you're seeing is the Chinese lion dance. We are here to wish you, the Year of the Snake just started about a week and a half ago. We're still in the 15-day window. It's early in the new year. We are here to bring you as much positive energy as we can. Could we please give, particularly Garden City, and I don't even know where Faith is, she's probably hiding. Faith, can we give Garden City and Faith a big round of applause? For putting this together, for putting up with us, having us come every new year to entertain you. I'll keep it short. If you've never seen it, Lion Dance is just a symbolic performance, however you think about it. Warding away negative, keeping positive, attracting positive. It's 6 to 1, half dozen to another, however you think about it. Our intention is to bring you as much positivity as possible. So, if you only leave with 2 things today, 2. The first is, you're watching a lion dance, not a dragon dance. So lion, not dragon. Similar, but this is a lion. That's the first thing. That's less important. The more important thing is that you feel even 1% more positive for the new year when we are done. It doesn't have to be 100, it doesn't have to be 99. If we bring you something,
Looks like it's an
that is our
orange.
hope. That's our intention.
Maybe that's
right?
for the
So,
dragon.
Maybe
you
the
all
lions.
shop here, you
Those are
eat here,
lions.
you dine here, as do I. Good things come with community. We got businesses here. It's good for the local economy. We are here as a Garden City community to kind of wish each other Happy New Year. So, before we complete the show, some of the symbols you see here, we have lettuce, oranges, they're kids. Are lettuce and oranges like artificial? Are they created in a machine? No, right? They're grown, right? You plant, you water, you harvest from a tree, from the ground, whatever. They're symbolic references to just like good things that are started, taken care of, and then come to, I don't know, fruition, haha. Okay, so that's why we're here.
Show me the lettuce. You got all those?
Yeah, I got these.
All right. All right, we're leaving Garden City now.
Now
It's-
we're going home and going to play games.
We're going home and play games.
Yeah,
Did you have fun today?
yeah.
What was your favorite part? The lion. The New Year lion. Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, a lot of people was in there, but I thought the line was real.
Thought it was real?
Yeah.
That's silly. I thought it was cool when he spit out the lettuce at you. When he ate the lettuce and then he spit it at you.
Yeah, but I was like closing my eyes so it didn't go into my eyes.
Oh, all right. That's
I was
fun.
like looking at the lettuce and then it flew all over me.
Yeah. It's been a fun day at Garden City. Thanks again to Feed the Cheeks for sharing some cookies with us and a chai latte. That was really nice. And we enjoyed the Lunar New Year celebration. The lions were really cool. The dances were really fun and the music was awesome and loud. And then we headed over to Tavern in the Square, grabbed ourselves some burgers, and some chicken tendies. And Sophia got fruit as a side, really good fruit. Then we, walked around a little, shopped a little. I tried on some sneakers, didn't find anything I liked, and New Balance. So we went next door to Party City because they're having a going out of business sale. And I grabbed some cool party poppers and some chafing pan holders and an activity book for Sophia. And we're going to go home now.
And definitely the activity book has tattoos for
That's right, there's
and
tattoos.
For the coloring thing. Yeah.
Coloring book. Let's go home and see what else we got going on. It's the next day and it snowed out. There is about 6 inches of snow outside right now. I'm gonna go out there and take care of that. Then I'm gonna come in and start getting things ready for our Super Bowl party that we're having. I'm being kind of quiet because everyone's still sleeping. It's about 7:30 in the morning and I don't want to wake everybody up. I'm the one that gets up early every day. So let's head outside and start cleaning up this snow. Taking a little break. Done enough shoveling for now. Cleared most of the driveway. I got the cars left. And then I got my front yard, the little path to the stairway left. I'm thinking I might take Sophia sledding. Maybe. Like actual sledding. She's never actually been sledding, so I think it'd be nice to take her sledding for the first time and let her experience the hills. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Sit forward a little bit more. 1, 2. Yeah! You went far on that one. Yeah, bring the sled. So, fun fact, this hill over here, behind these trees, is the highest point in Providence. You can see most of the skyline from there. All right, let's do a little FPV. Yep. Awesome, right? All right, there goes Sophia on the left with Papa. We already came down twice. This is the hills that I used to ride down when I was a kid.
Pick you up, okay?
All right, so right behind me is the highest point in Providence and probably one of the biggest hills in Providence. Sound like a news reporter, but I'm waiting to see who comes down this thing. They're up there. But how long before they come down?
Look at a lot of the city.
Yeah, see, you could see everything. You can see all of Providence right there and the Superman building.
I don't know.
Over there's the Armory.
I'm building it.
Crazy. Okay, we're back at home.
Oh my god.
I just took a shower. I'm a little tired. Had a bowl of soup. Sophia's playing in her room. I'm surprised she didn't pass out, but she had a great time on those hills. Honestly, I was shocked she went down as many times as she did. 2 times, but we went down little literal hills, then we climbed to the top of the bigger hill. And we're gonna get some cooking going now for the Super Bowl party. Calzone is ready to go into the oven, and the sauce is a cooking. Meatballs. These are gonna be good. There's only one way to do them. You fry them. Sure. Put me to work.
Sunday sauce.
Let's stir it up.
A Super Bowl sauce.
Super Bowl sauce. About an hour and a half, the Super Bowl is on. And that'll do it, folks, for this weekend's home vlog. The Philadelphia Eagles won the Super Bowl. Crazy. Never would have thought the score was what it was, but it is what it is at this point. Football season's over. Kudos to them. Kendrick Lamar at the halftime show. If you know, you know. Leave it at that. But again, thank you to Feed the Cheeks for inviting me out, and good night, people.